Welcome to this quick guide on muting chats in the Viber app. Whether you're looking to silence a noisy group or a single conversation, this feature helps you stay focused without leaving the chat. Let's walk through the process, step by step. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Make sure you are on the Chats section, where all your chats are listed. Scroll and find the chat you want to mute. Then, press and hold on the chat until a menu appears. From this menu, select the notification option. After that, choose the muted option to silence the chat notifications. Your selected chat will no longer send alerts until you decide to unmute it. Finally, you can repeat this process for any other chats you want to mute. This feature is helpful for managing group chats or busy conversations without leaving them. Muting a chat in Viber is quick and easy.